More than 10% returns in a single day. And it's not just me, but all the active Telegram subscribers got benefited from these trades on the real time basis. I know many of you would have got attracted to the thumbnail and came to this video for learning something new. Trust me, you won't regret. Just go through the whole video. This will bring bigger smile to your face. Also, would like to tell you that this is not the first time such returns came. It happened many times in the past. Few of the links of the similar videos are shared in the description of this video. On the screen, you can see that on real-time basis, these trades were shared on the Telegram group. I have been sharing trades on the Telegram channel for more than a year for free and with high percentage of winning days. You can check this for yourself by checking the Telegram channel. Link is in description. The only thing you need to do is manage the risk and capital, and the bigger profits will come eventually. Don't worry, I will help you in learning proper ways to manage your risk and capital. The reason I'm recording this video now is to reach the maximum number of serious traders who want to learn in live market hours and the reasons behind the trades, so that finally you can take such trades on your own. This will especially help those traders who are struggling to come in profits. I want such traders who are eager to learn. I know only sharing trades will give you some returns, but it won't help everyone. So I dive deep into this thought. How can I help more number of serious traders who are learners as well as smart? So I thought about what need to be done, what processes needed to be followed, when to enter a trade, when to exit a trade, how and when to book profits, how to control your emotions, and more importantly, how to properly manage your risk and capital and don't get trapped in these volatile markets on the wrong side. I know that things are needed to be done in proper flow. My target is to reach maximum serious traders or learners, so I'm creating a Telegram channel separately only for such serious traders. I will share in this group every trade I take. This will include any change in my stock portfolio, every trade that I take for my options portfolio, all short-term trades, swing trades, and even my scalping trades. We'll share the reason for the same through this channel. But I mentioned, I need serious traders only. So we'll be adding only those traders who are ready to invest at least 2 to 3 months with me. In the words of famous writer Chet Holmes, I need people with pig-headed mindset and discipline. We'll be sharing lots of concepts, data, and ways to analyze the markets. I will not only make you understand lagging indicators, but also help you in learning leading indicators, through which you will be prepared for major moves in the markets weeks before they happen. My existing subscriber knows that I was buying puts before the market corrected all the 3 times from 18,600, then roughly from 18,200 levels, and then the recent 18,100 levels. But you need to do lot of practice. It will take time for me to cover everything, but more time will be needed by you guys to do more practice, everything that I teach. But I assure you that in few months, you will be profitable for sure and will be taking trades on your own with high percentage of winning trades. I have not charged any fees till now, and right now you can learn everything for free. Just to abide by the regulatory regulations, open a trading account with the referral code below and take at least couple of trades, and later you can use this as an active account or keep this as a secondary account. That's your call. But through this, we will be in an advisory relationship and I will be able to share everything freely. You just need to share a screenshot of trade with your account details with me on optionsdecoded@gmail.com, and I will be adding you to the new personal Telegram group. All my existing subscribers knows that I have been sharing knowledge and trades for free for more than a year now, both on YouTube and Telegram. But now the dynamics are changing. I'm getting seriously involved and will be investing a lot of time into it and want to make some difference. Have lots of things to share. I only want serious traders like me for whom such information and learning matters, who appreciate my efforts. There was no one to help me when I started my career, due to which I learned things the harder way. I read lot of unnecessary stuff and wasted many years on this. But you guys have an advantage to learn from a real-time trader with real-time trades. I'm here to be your guide. So check out the old Telegram channel for yourself. Link is below. You can see the history of more than a year of every trading day. Now, if you think that this can help you to be a successful trader, open an account with the referral code As mentioned for regulatory reasons, share the screenshot of codes with couple of trades and let's work together. I know together we can create a difference. So join me. All the best to everyone and as always, happy learning.